What's going on, you guys? So it's been a long time since I uploaded a YouTube video, but don't worry, I'm gonna start it up again. It's just that school has been very fast-paced because I'm about to graduate, but don't worry about that. More videos are gonna come out every week, once a week like usual. And today is a special day because today, when you work hard, you get to get what you want. So today will be the day that I actually pick up one of my cars that I've always wanted to pick up. If you want to know what the car is, you're gonna have to watch the video all the way to the very end, and then you'll find out. Or maybe in the middle of the video, you never know. Anyways, to give you a hint, the shirt I'm wearing right now says Buster. So if you know where this word came from, then you'll know, you probably can do a process elimination of what potential car that I'm picking up. Anyways, let's get started. I gotta catch Uber to the airport and then head on down south. Alright, let's follow with me.
Ladies and gentlemen, boarding is now complete. Please ensure your seatbelts are fastened and secure all personal items for departure. Personal items will be purses.
Alright, went through the TSA checkpoint and now we're on our way to Kentucky to pick up the car. I can't wait to see the car. This is supposedly first owner and white Evo with 13,000 miles, so it's gonna be ridiculous. What's going on, you guys? So I couldn't get everything from the dealership and everything because I was trying to rush because Enterprise was closing up early and I just got to get everything done because I have a 10-hour drive back. But if you look behind me, there it is. There's my new car. It's a 2012 Mitsubishi Evolution GSR with 13,000 miles, first owner. So I can't wait. Now I have everything taped up and I'm ready to drive back all the way to Philadelphia from Kentucky. Alright, well, I might do some B-rolls from on the drive to home and then we'll see what happens. Alright, thank you, and if you like my channel, please like and subscribe because my channel is going to be booming later because I'm going to start modding this Evo like nobody's business. Alright, thank you. Sorry for not really covering much of the drive. It's been raining really bad outside and it's taken me longer than normal to drive from Kentucky to where am I at now. It's pretty bad. Rain wise, don't get me wrong, I love the Evo. The Evo in the rain is amazing. However, I think I just got out to the outskirts of West Virginia, heading towards Pennsylvania from the west side, so I'm gonna go through like Harrisburg and stuff like that. Hey, at least my painter's tape job did a pretty good job. I mean, still there, I think, for the most part. I still can't believe I got an Evo. That is ridiculous. So the second pump of the day, not bad. Oh, there you go. Alright, so onward with the drive back and let's see where else it takes me. What's going on, you guys? So we finally got to Shippensburg, near Shippensburg University. I don't know where that's at really. I guess it's Shippensburg, PA. Painter's tape kind of still on there. It's like flappity flap flap flap. So it's kind of interesting that I have an NVIDIA exhaust on this Evo and it's like scoobity pop 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 in the back when I'm driving. So I think that's a tuning issue. I'm just thankful that I'm almost home. I think it says I'm the last 160 miles left to my house, so we'll see how it goes. Get home and then probably I'll continue the video for tomorrow and everything. All right.